Hi family and friends, my name is Miryana. Thank you for joining me on this adventure in Red Rock Canyon. Red Rock Canyon is one of the most beautiful and definitely one of my favorite places to visit close to Vegas. Today we'll be exploring the First Creek Trail. The trail is moderate and only 4 miles long, and you don't need a special equipment, only water and maybe a little bit of salty snack. It's very important while you're hiking to stay hydrated. We're gonna go all the way to the waterfall, and hopefully we're gonna see a lot of water. It should be a lot of water because it's been raining and snowing for the past few months. I'll be also showing you some of the vegetation in the area. Are you ready? Let's go. We're going to follow the trail for a while, and once we reach the first waterfall, we'll head up the stream and enjoy the water. I encountered variety of vegetation along the way to the waterfall. Along the trail, I spotted yucca, cholla, yerba manza, and yerba santa, among others, each with their unique uses. Yucca is known for its starchy roots, often used as a food source. Cholla provides edible fruits and has medicinal properties. Yerba manza and yerba santa are both medicinal plants used in traditional herbal remedies for centuries. These are only some of the plants that I found along the way, adding to the richness of the landscape. It was fascinating to learn about the different plants and their role in the ecosystem as I explored the beautiful surroundings. Each season in the desert has its own beauty, but my favorite is spring. Not only do we enjoy the perfect temperature and longer days, but also nature begins to awaken. The landscape bursts with blooming flowers, wildlife becomes more active, and there is a noticeable increase in water. As we near the stream, the vegetation transitions, becoming more vibrant and green. It's absolutely beautiful here. The water is kind of cold, very refreshing actually. Beautiful. I'm so glad that I came here. This place is perfect for meditation or simply sitting and disconnecting from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Here you can listen to the calming sound of running water, allowing it to wash away your worries and bring you a sense of tranquility and peace. I love it. I love it. Thank you. There is a lot of water from all this snow and rain that we've been getting the past 2 months. You can hardly see any people, especially during the week. Maybe on the weekends it's crowded, but during the week it's so peaceful. Look at that beauty that we are surrounded by. Oh, I wish I got my swimwear. So cold. We're supposed to go all the way to the top of this mountain here, but I got carried away with all this water, so we didn't make it. That's why it's not a good idea to have plans. Just go and explore. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did while I was making it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me today, and I will see you next time. Bye.